Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today we will solve page 47 from countdown 4. So this page is all about the common multiples and we've already learned a lot of things from page 46. What is multiple, what is common multiple, what is least common multiple. We've already learned a lot of things from page 46. So now we'll learn something more at page 47. Number 8. Number 8 says study the diagram, then answer the questions. Here you will get 6 questions, so we have to solve one by using this diagram. So at first, if I look at first diagram, we can see that first one is multiples of 4. This circle represents multiples of 4 and this circle will represent multiples of 3. So from this diagram, we can see that multiples of 4 are these numbers, multiples of 3 are these numbers. These two numbers are common in both multiples of 3 and 4, and these numbers neither multiples of 3 nor multiples of 4. So number one says write down the multiples of 4 shown in the diagram. So if we see this one, and this one are multiples of 4 because it is belong to the circle of multiples of 4. So from the diagram, we can say multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. These 6 numbers are multiples of 4. And we are finding out this one by using the diagram. Now, next question. Next question says, write down the multiples of 3. So this circle represents multiples of 3. So here you will see that a lot of multiples are there. So here we can say from the diagram, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24. Very simple. We are finding out the multiples of 3 from this diagram. Now, number 3. Number 3 says, what are the common multiples of 3 and 4? Here we can see that this 12 and this 24, these two numbers are common in both multiples of 3 and 4. So we can say from the diagram, common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12 and 24. These two are common multiples of 3 and 4, and we are finding out this one from the diagram. Now, number 4. Number 4 says which numbers are not multiples of 3 but only of 4. So we have to find out some number that is not multiple of 3 but only of 4. So we can see that these numbers are multiples of 4. These numbers are multiples of 3. But from there, these 12 and 24 both are common multiple of 3 and 4. So the question is which numbers are not multiple of 3 but only of 4. So we cannot take 12 and 24. We can take only these numbers 8, 16, 4, and 20. So here we can say our answer will be only 4, 8, 16, and 20 because these numbers are multiple of 4 but not multiples of 3. And we cannot take 12 and 24. Why? Because 12 is also multiple of 3. But the question says that will not be multiple of 3. Now, number 5. Number 5 says, which numbers are not multiples of 4 but only of 3? So we can say these numbers are multiples of 4. And we can just remove this number 12 and 24. Then only this part will be the multiple of 3 but not of 4. So we can take only this number 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, and 21. So answer will be 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, and 21. And that is the solution of number 5. Now number 6. Number 6 says which numbers are multiples of neither 3 nor 4. We can easily find out that outside of these circles, here some number are given. These numbers are neither multiples of 3 nor 4. So here our final answer will be 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 11, 13, 14, 17, 19, 22, and 23. These numbers are neither multiple of 3 nor 4. Very simple. Now, Let's go to our next question, number B. Now, number B says, now make a Venn diagram to show the common multiples of 4 and 6 in your rectangle. Include all whole numbers up to 30. Okay, fine. So we will solve the question, and by solving this question, we can find out the multiples of 4, multiples of 6, and we'll put this one in the Venn diagram. At first, the question says write all the multiples of 4 shown. Write all the multiples of. So at first, you have to find out the multiples of 4. We know that below 30 or up to 30, multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. How can we find out? Just time limit. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28. So we can write this one. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So these one are multiples of 4. Now, next question says, write all the multiples of 6 shown. So up to 30, we know that multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. So here we have to write 6, 12 already we have written here, 18, 24, and 13. So we've already find out the multiples of 4 and multiples of 6. Okay. So multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. That is up to 30. We have only 5 multiples of 6. Now number 3. Number 3 says all the numbers which are not multiples of 6 but only of 4. So we have to find out some number that is not multiples of 6. Not multiples of 6 but only of 4. So answer will be this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. This is the similar way of the previous one. So what will be the final answer? We can easily say that will be 4, 8, 16, 20, 28. These numbers are not multiple of 6, but these numbers are multiple of 4. We can easily find out. Now number 4. Number 4 says all the numbers which are not multiples of 4 but only of 6. So here similar way we can identify that these 6, 18, 30 will be the answer. How? Why? Because these numbers 6, 18, and 30, these are not multiples of 4 but only of 6. Okay, so we have to deduct 12 and 24 because 12 and 24 both are multiples of 4 and 6. Now number 5. Number 5 says all the numbers which are multiples of neither 4 nor 6. So neither 4 nor 6. That means we can say up to 30 we have a lot of number, and that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 29. These numbers are multiples of neither 4 or nor 6. So the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19, 21, 22, 23, 25, 27, and 29. So these numbers neither multiple of 4 nor 6. Very simple. Now our last question. Our last question says number 6. The common multiples of 4 and 6 shown in your diagram. So from the diagram we can see that the common multiples of 4 and 6 will be 12 and 24. So our answer will be 12 and 24. And if the question asks me which one will be the LCM or least common multiple or lowest one, we will say that that will be 12. 12 will be the least one, least common multiple, LCM. Okay, so that's all for page 47. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.